Tiffany Jameson here at the beach. You know, it's just a few minutes from my house, a few minutes bike ride from my house. And I wanted to hop on here and do this quick video because I noticed a trend that doesn't seem to be going away, only seems to be getting worse actually, of everybody sounding the same online. And I think the problem has even become worse because with the pandemic and everything and people losing their jobs, then more people are coming online, so more people are sounding the same. And I mean, you know what I'm talking about. If you just go through Facebook or Instagram and somebody might post like, oh, drop a link and tell me what you do, you'll find like 100 strategists, 100 somethingpreneurs, right? And it's basically all sounding the same. 100 mindset coaches and all these things. And the reality is that when your prospects are coming, they aren't looking for that particular thing, and they think, oh, well, how was that different from the next? So I'll just pick the one who has the most followers, right? And you and I both know that they can't, you know, those, perhaps, I'm not going to say in every instance, but the service and quality that you can provide is really unmatched. If you can only communicate that to someone, right? You realize, hey man, my elevator pitch is not working. I need to ditch the pitch. And what I share with you in this Rad Charmers training is how to be able to speak to the buying brain of your prospects and clients so that you don't have to sell them, because when you're charming, you don't have to chase clients or cash. You speak directly to the buying brain and you say it in a way that they don't even know. It's like totally stealth. So go ahead and check out this page. I know you're gonna love this training and you will thank me later. I'm confident in that, okay? So this is Tiffany Jameson. Go ahead, check out this page, get the training, and I will see you on the other side.